In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get demo account in BingX. Open your browser and head to the official BingX website. If you're new to the platform, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account before you can access certain pages, which is normal. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation bar because we'll move through a few menus to enable demo trading. Look toward the top of the page and click on Assets. This is your hub for everything related to balances and account types. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing your window or checking the upper right area of the site. Interfaces can shift slightly depending on your device. Inside Assets, select Futures Account. This is where BingX organizes products related to derivatives trading. Don't worry, we're still staying in demo mode territory. This path simply sets up the type of account that supports practice trading. Next, choose USD's MPerp. This refers to USDT margined perpetual futures, which is the standard environment for many demo setups on BingX. Opening this section ensures your demo balance will be available for the correct product type. Now, look for the option labeled Apply for VST. VST is BingX's virtual trading balance. Think of it as play money that mirrors real market conditions without any financial risk. Applying for VST loads your demo funds, and you can typically top it up again later if you run low. It can't be withdrawn or converted, and it's only for practice, which makes it perfect for learning. With VST applied, head to the trading area by clicking Derivatives. This directs you to the broader trading interface where you can switch between products and markets. If you're on mobile, you may see a similar label in the main menu. The goal is the same. Enter the derivatives trading screen. Choose USD's MPerp. Futures to open the futures trading terminal. You'll see common pairs like BTC, USDT, and a full order panel. This is the same place where live trading happens, but we'll keep it strictly virtual. Finally, click on Demo Trading. This toggle or button activates the VST environment, and you should see your virtual balance displayed. When demo trading is on, any orders you place are simulated against live market data, so you can practice entries, exits, and risk controls without touching real funds. That's it. You've enabled a demo account in BingX using VST. If anything looks different on your screen, interfaces may have been updated. Just follow the same labels, practice patiently, review your results, and when you're ready, you'll have a much clearer roadmap for trading responsibly.